Hello everyone, so we'll start with our type 2 non-exact differential equations. So first question is here, y into 8x minus 9y into dx plus 2x into x minus 3y into dy is equal to 0. So here first what you have to do, you have to take what is m and what is n. So m is y into m dx plus n dy, right? Y into 8x minus 9y, and n is 2x into x minus 3y. So multiply this y inside. So what is your m? 8xy minus 9 into y, y square. And what is here? 2x into x is x square minus 3 2s are 6, x into y. Right? So now we'll find what is dou m by dou y. So what it is? Y is constant here, right? So 8y is constant, x is constant here, 8x is constant. Differentiation of y with respect to y is 1 minus 9 into, what is differentiation of y square? It is nothing but 2y. So what do you have? Dou m by dou y is nothing but 8x minus 9 2s are 18y. So here dou n by dou x. So what do you get? 2 into 2x minus 6y into 1. So you have dou n by dou x is nothing but 4x minus 6y. Is your dou m by dou y and dou n by dou x equal? No. So dou m by dou y is not equal to dou n by dou x. So here comes our next step. To find the integrating factor, we have the formula 1 by n into dou m by dou y minus dou n by dou x. So what is n? We have a n to be 2x square minus 6xy. So we have 1 by 2x square minus 6xy into dou m by dou y is 8x minus 18y minus we have dou n by dou x, that is 4x minus 6y. So simplifying this, what do we get? 1 by 2x square minus 6xy, we have 8x minus 18y minus 4x, minus into minus, plus 6y. Simplifying this, what do we get? We have 8 minus 4 is 4, 18 minus 6 is 12, 12y divided by 2x square minus 6xy. Right? So here we can take 4 common outside, right? So this is 4 into x minus 4 3s are 12 divided by, we can take 2x common from here, right? So your x is remaining minus 2 3s are 6, so 3 is remaining and y is remaining, right? So x minus 3y gets cancelled. 2 1s are, sorry, here there is an x common outside, 2 2s are. So we are remaining with 2 by x, which is our f of x. Okay? Since our f of x is a function of x alone, we have a formula e to the power of integral f of x dx. Okay, if it is y alone, we have a different formula. Okay? Okay, we have e to the power of integral f of x dx. What was our f of x? It was 2 by x, right? 2 by x dx. So now we have e to the power of, I'm taking 2 common outside, 1 by x dx. What is 1 by x integration? It is log x, right? So we have e to the power of 2 log x. So here this is of the form n log m, right? N log m. What is the formula? Log m to the power of n. The number here comes as the power, right? So this becomes e to the power of log x square. Yes, we have one more formula. E to the power of log of something is equal to, see here, e to the power of log of what is there inside this bracket can be written as the answer. Okay, so this is one more proven fact we have. Okay, so we will use that. So our integrating factor is x square now. Now we have the formula. We all know that our question is in the form of m dx plus n dy, right? So our question was this 8xy minus 9y square into dx. So I am multiplying this integrating factor along with each terms. Okay, so our question into integrating factor dy is equal to 0. Multiply this inside now. What do we get? 8x cube y 9y square into x square into dx plus 2 power 2 plus 2 is 4 minus 1 plus 2 is 3 into dy is equal to 0, right? So now we know the formula is integral. The solution is integral where y is constant, m dash, since we have m and n, we will consider this as m dash and this as n dash. So m dash dx plus integral of terms of n dash not containing x, right, into dy is equal to c. So we have integral, what is m dash? 8x cube y minus 9y square x square into dx plus terms of n not containing x. So we don't have any terms of n dash which is not containing x. Both are containing x. So it is 0 dy is equal to c. So now we can split this integral. We have integral, I'll take the constant outside, x cube y into dx minus, I'll take the constant outside, y square x square dx is equal to c. Here since y is a constant, I can also take y outside, but okay. So we'll directly do it now. 8y is a constant, x power 4 by 4 is the integration of x cube minus 9y square is a constant, x cube by 3 is the integration of x square. Yes, integral x to the power of n is what? Integral x to the power of n is n x to the power of n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c, right? Integration constant. Since we already have an integration constant here, I am not writing it again and again. Okay, so now 4 ones are 4 twos are, 3 ones are 3 threes are, right? So now we have 2x to the power of 4 into y minus 3 y square into x cube is equal to c, which is our required differential equation. We'll continue with the next problem. Solve 9x power 4y plus 2x square xy square minus x cube into dx plus x to the power of 4 plus xy into x dy is equal to 0. So this is in the form of m dx plus n dy. So we will multiply this. Okay, we'll take it as m is equal to 7x to the power of 4y plus 2xy square minus x cube, and n is equal to, we'll multiply this inside, x to the power of 5 plus x square y. Okay, so now we will find dou m by dou y. So we have 7x power 4 is constant, differentiation of y with respect to y is 1 plus 2x is constant, differentiation of y square is 2 into y to the power of 1 minus x cube is a constant, differentiation of constant is 0. So we have dou m by dou y is equal to 7x to the power of 4 plus 4xy. Okay, now n, dou n by dou x, you have 5x to the power of 4 plus 2x into y. Differentiation of x square is 2x, y is a constant, we keep it as it is. So compare dou m by dou y and dou n by dou x. Are they equal? No, that means they are non-exact differential equations. If they are equal, they are exact differential equations. So now we have to make them exact, right? So now we will find the integrating factor using the formula 1 by n into dou m by dou y minus dou n by dou x. So what do we get? 1 by, what is our n? X to the power of 5 plus x square y into dou m by dou y is 7x power 4 plus 4xy minus dou n by dou x is 5x power 4 plus 2xy. So what do we have? We'll simplify this. 7x power 4 plus 4xy minus 5x power 4 minus 2xy. That is plus into minus minus. So we have 1 by x power 5 plus x square. Okay, here we can take 2 common outside, right? Okay, so we'll take 2 common outside from the numerator, that is x power 2x can be taken common outside, 2x power 3 plus y divided by, here also I can take, okay, if I take x square common outside, what do I have? X to the power of 5 minus 2 is 3 plus y. So this 2 gets cancelled, 1x and 1x gets cancelled, so you're remaining with 2 by x, which is your f of x. This is a function of x alone, so which is a formula? Integral e to the power of integral f of x dx. So it is nothing but e to the power of integral 2 by x dx. Taking 2 common outside, what is the integral? 1 by x dx. So e to the power of 2 into 1 by x, integration is log x. So we know from the previous problem the formula x power n. Now this can be written as x square, right? So now we have to multiply this along with the given question. So our given question was 7x power 4y plus 2xy square minus x cube into x square into dx plus x to the power of 4 plus xy into x square dy is equal to 0. So we have, multiplying this inside, what do we have? 7 x to the power of 4 plus 2, 6 y, 2 x cube y square minus 3 plus 2, 5, right, dx plus x to the power of 4, this is 3, 2 plus 1, 3, right, 4, 5, 6, 7 plus x to the power of 3 plus 1 is 4 y into dy is equal to 0. Now we will consider this as m dash and this as n dash. So according to the formula, we don't have any terms here without containing x, right? So integral 0 dy it will be, right? Okay, our formula is integral of y is equal to constant m dash dx plus integral terms of n not containing x dy is equal to c. So our m dash was 7x to the power of 6y plus 2x cube y square minus x to the power of 5 into dx plus, we knew that there was no terms containing x, right? So it is 0 is equal to c. Now here y is a constant, right? We will split this integral. So I'll take the constants outside. 7y is a constant, x to the power of 6 dx plus 2y square is constant, integral of x cube dx minus integral of x to the power of 5 dx is equal to c. So here you have 7y is x to the power of n plus 1 by n plus 1, right? So 6 plus 1, 7 divided by 7 plus 2y square x to the power of 4 divided by 4 minus x to the power of 6 divided by 6 is equal to c. 7 gets cancelled, 2 1s are 2 2s are, so we have x to the power of 7y plus y square x to the power of 4 divided by 2 minus x to the power of 6 divided by 6 is equal to c, which is a required solution of the given differential equation.
Thank you for watching.